Fiverr username change, fiverr.com username change. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Fiverr username, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you want to change your username on Fiverr, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to fiverr.com and then you can see this type of interface, right? Now, if you go to the three lines option here and then you go to your particular name, you can currently see that this is my username, right? So if you want to change your username, can you do so? Well, unfortunately, according to Fiverr Help Center, they mentioned that usernames cannot be changed because they represent a unique identity on the platform. And to use a different username, users must close their current account and create a new one, and there is simply no other choice than that. So unfortunately, you can't change your username. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.